Welcome to Data Africa YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Hushpuppi and his attorney Pissetzky. And as we all know, Hushpuppi was being extradited from UAE, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, to the United States on account, of fraudulent activities. And as the day goes by, we start hearing, or we get updates in terms of how his case or trial is going and in the US. So in my previous post I talked about Hush Puppy hiring a renowned Chicago-based attorney called Gal Pissetzky. And we already know Pissetzky is just wonderful when it comes to criminal high profile criminal cases. And today, update just came up saying that hey, Pissetzky is saying, hey, my client Hush Puppy, you know, I mean, he's not a citizen of Dubai. He's not a. I mean, really, he's not a citizen of U.S. That's the bone of contention here. He's not a citizen of U.S. And U.S. did not act legally, by extraditing him from Dubai to the U.S. So, Pissetzky was saying the USA does not have an extradition treaty with UAE. A request to extradite an individual from United Arab Emirates, Dubai, is supposed to be done before such act is undertaken. Hmm. Wow. I mean, Pissetzky, he's saying if Dubai wanted to expel him, they should have expelled him back to Nigeria. If never heard of anything like that, that is the real story here. And he's just getting every day what's it called, he's Pissetzky is trying to trying to go deeper and deeper and giving Hush Puppy more urge, you know in this case. But by him saying that Hush Puppy gets his wealth from all them luxury brands, I mean, they won't pay him this kind of amount, because at the time when he was arrested, you know, the Dubai police said they recovered 40 million US dollars, which is about 32 million pounds in cash. You can imagine. 13 luxury cars worth $6.8 million, 21 computers, 47 smartphones, and the addresses of nearly 2 million alleged victims. I mean, this is a real case. So, the case against Mr. Abbas, aka Hush Puppy, it's a very big one because they are saying he has a leading transnational network of cyber criminals whose targets included a US law firm, a foreign bank, an English Premier League football club. And all these email scams were typically to steal individuals or companies, personal, information to defraud them by impersonating, you know, them either in form of legitimate business contact or tricking the target into sending money into a wrong account. So in Nigeria, we call them 419 scammers, or Yahoo boys, whatever code they use, But this is getting so much, and I personally, you know, I'm just looking at the way the whole thing is going, and hey, subscribe to this channel for trending updates. I personally believe no matter how Attorney Pissetzky try on this Hush Puppy's case, Hush Puppy will not be a free man. Pissetzky can only reduce his duration of jail sentence, or possibly his case might be transferred to his country of citizenship, which is Nigeria, to serve a jail term over there. And I think that's what I'm thinking about Mr. Woodberry, Mr. Ponley, the other Nigerian arrested in Dubai with Hush Puppy. His lawyer Michael B. Nash told the judge at a detention hearing on Thursday that he had not had a chance to speak to his client when he was allowed 15 minutes in a virtual breakout room to confer with Mr. Ponley. He returned to a request he returned to request a new date for the hearing. So this is Mr. Woodberry's attorney speaking to BBC. So he said, I really don't have any comments right now. I have to learn the facts about this case, he told BBC. Mr. Woodberry, which is his name Ponle, his Instagram account, as reported by FBI, was being used, to actually track him. They also used it kind of as a conspiracy against him, But at the moment, they are saying there are several bank wires, totaling about 15.2 million US dollars, and most of these proceeds he had already converted them to Bitcoin, which is a digital wallet, currency digital wallet. And if you understand how Bitcoin works, it's very difficult to actually trace transactions on Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know what the future holds for them, but they're still going to be in the federal prison for a while in the US, and we'll see how their case goes. Subscribe for more news updates. Like, share this video so other people can actually be informed on what's going on about Hushpuppi's case, because Hushpuppi has fans out there, worldwide. And if you are interested in your career growth in data science, visit datacatchup.com.